Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Power BI. I'm doing this because I'm trying to make sure that all of my blogs have an associated video associated with it. Anyways, let's get started. So we're going to start by downloading the installer. So we're going to go download. We're going to pick the 64-bit. We're going to go wait for it to download. Is it done? It's a little unclear. Let's go look to see if it's done. All right, so it's done. Out of habit, I always look at the properties and make sure that it says unblocked here. It is. So we're going to run the install. And we're just going to go next on the language. Yes to UAC. You may have seen the pop-up. It did actually show that it was completed finally. I guess it was being scanned for viruses or whatever. But all right, so on the welcome screen, we're just going to go next. Yes, we're going to accept the license. We're going to leave the default location, and we're going to click install. This is going to take a minute or two to complete, and really that's all there is to the install. I've created the video for completeness, not because it's overly difficult, but this is part of a set, a larger set on getting started. So from zero to hero type idea. And showing you how to install Power BI is just one of the steps within that series. So. And I'm back. So as you can see, the install there wasn't much to it. We can launch this Power BI if you're so inclined. I'm going to not launch it and just say finish. And that's how you get Power BI installed within your environment. Hopefully you found this useful. Until next time. I want to thank you for watching and to remind you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and to go off to the Ask Earth website and subscribe to its newsletter. This way you can stay up to date on all the latest content as I make it available. Until next time.